Hello everyone, in front of me is VIVO Y19s, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first open the settings, then from main settings list select security, and here go to fingerprint. So at first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. You can choose pattern, PIN code or the password. I'll go with pattern, let it draw it, tap on next, re-enter it just to confirm and tap on OK to apply. And now manage your notification content. Let me hide it. And as you can see, the fingerprint sensor is located on your power button, so just click on start and go with all the privacy statement. If you do agree, mark agree. And now keep tapping on your power button till your fingerprint is fully added. So just like this, lift your finger up, place it on the sensor till it's fully added. Tap on done, and as you can see, from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.